What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. So we're unboxing a nice new Caravan step. So our Caravan step just back here has been absolutely smashed on our travels over time. It's missing some of the little corner plastic pieces, and it doesn't do what it's meant to do. It doesn't fold out properly. Anyway, it's not working. We've decided to buy one of the products from a company called Campsmart on eBay. It's a nice black anodised step. We're going to unbox it now and see what it looks like, and we're going to install it onto the van and see how easy it is to install. This is our box. We'll get it opened up. Step actually looked really nice and neat, and I think it'll go well with our particular Caravan. Not sure what kind of color combos you guys have, but the black step will definitely look the part on our van. So this is our original step, and you can see here that it has just been absolutely smashed by rocks. We do a bit of off-road driving, missing some corner bits. It is a Ranger brand, but the whole thing is just not ideal, and it's definitely been used and had a good time. So it does have 4 bolts and 4 bolts, so it should be fairly straightforward to do. And the new one, so already that just looks a lot nicer. That front leading edge is all nice and black. We've got some grip tape on the step as well, so that's really, really good. We didn't have that previously. Nice front black section, and then all the bracketry and everything is all black as well. So I think that's going to look a lot nicer. Let's get that up near the van and see what it looks like. So bolts and nuts that it comes with, all your fixings that attach it to the Caravan, and the step itself is a 550, so 550 mils. This one obviously is a little bit thinner as well, I reckon, if we hold them up. Tiny bit thicker to the Ranger, tiny little bit wider, which should be good. All right, we're going to get this one unbolted and see how close these mounting holes are compared to the other one. I'll put a thing up on a screen showing the dimensions of this particular step. This one we bought for about $145 on eBay. We did have a special on, which allowed us to get a bit of a discount. I think the normal price is about $175. So that was a really good deal for us. $145 delivered to our door. It came the next day, which is unheard of here, but it was express post. We have eBay Plus, so that was a free option in the sale as well. All right, let's get this thing all fitted up and see how it goes. So our first step's probably going to be to give these a really good spray, top and bottom, and we'll let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll crack them open.
A few moments later.
Fingers crossed these should come off fairly easy. That turns nice and easy. We'll get both hands on there and undo those. Oh, that was nice and easy. So all 4 of those bolts were quite easy to undo, even though they looked a little bit rusted, and I think it's just surface rust. Nothing deep on it, just all on the surface. So those bolts are all off. All the threads are okay and everything. Now let's see if we can fit this up, get these bolts in that they supply with the package as well, and see if we can get them in. And we're all done and dusted. So that was really easy to install. A little bit fiddly with the bolts, but we've got them facing upwards. Obviously that's a much better way to do it, because then those nuts can't rattle loose. Much less likely anyway. As for the design of the step, works really, really well. It's a little bit wider than the old one. The old one sort of finished here, so it leveled with the edge of the body, but I think it's no further out than the little doorstop or our awnings. but that works really well. Tucks up, folds out nicely. Let's get rid of this one. Really nice with the black. Feels quite sturdy as well. So it is rated for 200 kilos. Really easy to put back in. Out the way. No rattles or anything like that. All right, that's pretty much a quick little video showing you exactly how to install one of these steps. There's the side view for it. We've got a little bit of clearance back here, which is all good. Those bolts are in as well. Really quick little easy video, just installing that new step. I just thought I'd make a quick video in case anyone else is wondering how easy they are to install or where to get the cheap, relatively cheap little black ones as well, because they look a lot nicer in my opinion for our van. I'll put a link below showing you exactly where we got it and how much it was. And if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.